Hi, my name is Blake Prokopek, and welcome back to the network topology that I have created for you. Today we're going to be talking about how I have set up DHCP and network routing. So, essentially I have made improvements to make sure that VLAN 1s, VLAN 11, 12 are IPv4 and IPv6. And the other ones are just IPv4. So let me show you in R1 here. Let's go to the CLI. Oh, sorry about that. There we go. So as you can see, all of these are coming from this server, which would be the DHCP server, and they're all going out to 12, 13, 11, 14. So making sure that all of these are connected to the VLANs here and here. And as you can see, when I go to PC1 here, I can go to desktop. You can see DHCP is enabled and is giving 192.168.176.15, which would be for the VLAN 11. So VLAN 11, 22, 33, and 44 all have DHCP. 11 and 22 only have IPv4 and IPv6, whereas 33 and 44 only have IPv4. As well as, I have set up routing. As you can see, I have set up routing to the different networks, 178, 179, which would be 33. So, as you can see, 179 is 33, and 179.129 would be 44. So I have set up for both of them. I have set up the routing, and I can show you that by let's ping whatever this one is here. Let's ping 192.168.179.12 from PC1. So go to command prompt, ping 192.168.179.12. Give it a second to be able to get to that area. And as you can see, it is able to ping once it figures out once it goes through all the routing protocols. As well as VLAN 22 can ping it. So as well as VLAN 2 can ping it. As well as all of these switches can be pinged by these. And all of these switches here can be pinged by these. As well as you can ping the router 2 or router 3 or the ISP, which will soon be taken out by ACLs. So, as well as I showed before, all of these computers are DHCP static, so DHCP for IPv4 and DHCP for IPv6, as you can see here. And as well as these ones are just the DHCP for IPv4, but static for the IPv6 configurations. I mean, as of a short reflection on what I've done so far, I would say that it has helped me a lot to be able to set up these static routings and being able to set up the DHCP server again, and I will say I've had troubles along the way, but I troubleshooted those by, just keep going. Do whatever you think is necessary, and at some point it works, and you learn a million new things from just doing one thing. So I feel like this has helped me a lot. I appreciate your time. Again, this is Blake Brokebeck with topology for my class project.